So guys, so today we are going to be continuing our survival series. So guys, this is going to be part 6 of our series. So let's just click on play. This is our world that it plays. So guys, let's go. So guys, I did some mining offline, and guys, I found some things. I found, and I got pretty lucky because I just found some diamonds, and now I'm pretty rich. And you know what's the luckiest thing about it? It was a 8 win. Yo boy! And I found a lot of other things like lapis lazuli. I found some emeralds. I went on a pretty good mining session, and now we're gonna craft our armor, guys, and we are going to be upgrading our house because it's just so beautiful, Just my house is so great. So let's just get this fucking shit camera out of my way. In first person now. Okay, guys, so we're pretty low. What's going on, dude? Okay, guys, so let's go inside and let's just take a look at what I found. So guys, I found a stack of coal and I found this copper in the last episode. I found some gold, I found a lot of redstone, I found 48 iron, I found 8 diamonds, and I found 3 emeralds. So guys, I have all this. I did this all offline, and now we are going to be crafting our iron armor. Let's take these diamonds. Let's do some things. So okay, so I also got some lapis lazuli. So guys, first I want to do something. I want to make another chest because my storage is getting kind of full. So let's make another chest. Place it on the top. This is okay. So now guys, do I have sticks? Okay, let's make some sticks. And now we are going to make our tools. I'm so happy. Helmet, chest plate, leggings, and boots. And guys, I'm going to make a axe and a pickaxe. And I'm going to save the rest of the diamonds. And the iron. Oh, 24, that's actually perfect for making another backup armor. So guys, I'm going to be using this for mining wood. I especially need this because guys, I need to make a house, so I will be needing this too for mining the wood, and I will also be using this for critting the people and all the mobs, because this thing does a lot of damage. How much? 6. If you crit that's gonna be more. Okay, so that we got this pickaxe because we need to mine obsidian and we need to go to the nether. Oh guys, one last thing I need to make. I need this iron, and it's the most important thing. I need to make a shield. This is going to be pretty important. So now guys, I'm stacked. I look pretty cool, but guys, there's a problem. I do not have that much food. I don't have that much food at all. Guys, I'm pretty poor of food. As you can see, I'll keep this iron over here, I'll keep this over here, and I'll keep this over here. So guys, let's go for some food hunting. So guys, first let's let this day end, or let's just go out, because guys, now I'm a pro. I'm stacked. I can't die, No. I don't have. Oh, that gave me a lot of beef. Let me just eat a little bit of this raw. I'll get more later, but I just need to fill my tummy, first. We'll use this iron axe because I don't want to waste my diamond axe. Oh, I can crit them one shot. That's another guy. Oh, two people. You good sir? Good sir. Okay. Oh, that's another sheep. Some chickens. Hello, chickenies. Hey, oh shit. Okay, guys, let's go up. Let's go up. Hey, you die, bro. Hey, yo, bro. Now the sheep gonna be mine. And you, sir, good sir, you gotta die. Your time's gone, sir. And you also gotta die. A pig. Hello, good sir, and you gotta die. Hey, just die, bro. Oh my god, these things, they're fat. They don't die. I think I need to use my diamond axe on just crit them. Yeah, bro. What were you saying, bro? Okay, let's lose the diamond axe for faster results. I have quite a lot of wool also. So guys, I think we'll also be able to make some carpets for our house. That will be really good. Oh, that's a brown sheep. Those are so many sheep. They just keep spawning. Hello, good sir. Gonna die. You gonna die. Oh, thanks for your stuff. Oh, baby. Where's my house? Oh, there it is. Okay, guys, this is a horse. I'll kill him still. Because do I care? Not. I don't. Well, thanks for the leather, Donkey. Oh, I'm starving. Wait, let's kill this guy. Die, bro. Die. We're getting a lot of food, guys. Especially a lot of wool from these guys. Guys, I think I should go to home before I die. Let's just get the last of this sheep and we're gonna be done. And we'll go home. Why do these things keep spawning and tempting me? Okay guys, so let's go to home now before I starve. Oh, this is so slow. Please, no night time right now because I'm not ready. I'm gonna die because I'm less of food. Let's get this guy also. Guys, I'm pretty greedy, I'm a pretty greedy man. Hey, you bro. Hey, you dead. And you also. You too, good sir. Okay, now finally let's go. I'm not gonna kill any more people now, guys. I'm a good man. Let's close the door and let's smelt our findings. Let's get this all going. I'll just take some coal from my chest. This should be enough to smelt all this. Then I'll smelt the pork chop and everything too. Let's keep the pork chop here. And now guys, the food problem is pretty much sorted. We have quite a lot of food. Okay, so let's also keep all this wool inside of here because I got a lot of it. Here also is some wool. Let's keep all the wool here. Okay, so when is it gonna be night time, dude? Let's keep all the junk. Let's just make another chest, guys. Why not? Let's make another chest. Give me another chest. Okay, let's place this on top of here. Okay, so we got a lot of these chests, and guys, now we are going to work for mining our wood. Hello, good sir. You wanna die? Oh, sorry, guys. I killed your mother, kinda. Let's kill the baby too, Who cares? Alright, let me get some food, first. It's actually turning night time, so we'll just sleep and go tomorrow. Let's get this food. Let's eat. Oh, cooked mutton gives a lot of health, And now we're full. Let's make them chop. Okay, let's sleep, guys, now because it's pretty much night time. Okay, we're slept, guys. And now let's go out, dude. And let's mine all the wood in the house. It's pretty early morning, so it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a long day because we're going to mine a lot of this wood. Okay, let's go up. Let's first use this axe. Let's don't waste all the stuff, It's pretty expensive, I don't have much of iron right now. And I don't wanna waste it all. This is actually a good tree for making a tree house. This is a good tree. Let's go down. We just need oak trees to build our house. So guys, we're finding this wood. Kucho! Eat that, dude. Wait, what's that? Is that a village? No, I'm just seeing things now, guys. I just can't find a village. I've started to see things. This is just great. God, please give me a village, Why is there no tree? I had to come so far away from my house for you, tree. You know that? I'm gonna mine you. Bro, no. Oh, are there seriously no more trees? Oh, there are they. But wait. Okay, I didn't know that this was an island. Oh, now I realize. Guys, I seriously, I'm so dumb. Like, how? How can I be that dumb? So guys, the 2 diamonds that I saved because I wanted to make. Oh wow. Wait. I really need this guy. I really like him. Wait. I'll put him in my house. Wait, I want to tame him. I don't have any bones right now. This is so irritating. He's so cute. Let's just put him in our house for now. And then let's just lock him up over here. Hey, buddy. We are friends. We're good friends, buddy. I'll lock him up, I'll make a small little house for him so he can't get out. Buddy, just don't get out. I promise I'll come for you. I promise. Wait, let me check. Please tell that I have bones. Please. Just tell I have bones. Let's just get out. Here I don't even have a shovel, that's great. Okay guys. Let me just keep this wood inside because if I die, that's gonna be great. Let's keep my tools also. I'll make iron picks because if I die, I'm gonna lose everything. I'm seriously gonna lose it. Okay, so I'm in the cage with this guy. Wait, let me out. Okay. Don't worry, bro. I'll get something for you. It's about to be night time, but I really don't care. Let's get this iron out of here. Let's get some sticks out of here. And guys, let's craft some tools, I'll take a sword. Good sir. I'll take 2 pickaxes. I'll take an axe. I'll take a shovel. And I wasted all my iron. Guys, I love myself. Why did I make another? Wow, how can I be that dumb? Are you? See, I didn't even need all that. I just need all this. Yeah. So guys, let's get out of here. Okay. So guys, be pretty strong. No one can kill us for now. Let me just. I should not just be so proud of myself. If I die, the story is gonna end. And I'm the dumbest person in the world because I forgot to bring torches. That's just great. Please tell if there's coal in here. I have quite a bit of sticks, but I love myself. Don't have coal. Guys, I just need to kill the skeleton. Just spawn a skeleton. Please, God. I need that guy. He's gonna despawn soon. And I won't let that happen. I probably should have made him sit in a boat. But guys, I'm so smart. I'm the smartest person in the world. And I didn't even bring so much food. But you know what? It's fine. Who was that? Oh yeah. You really wanna mess with me? Hey you bro. You ain't surviving me. Thanks, dude. Hey you bro. Hey you. Thanks, dude. Okay, let's get out of here. It's pretty dangerous over here. So let's just get out of here. So guys, I found one bone. You dumb head. But now I can't die from you, dumb head, because I got my shield. And it's gonna save me from everything. And where did that guy come from? I really want to go to that cave. Wait, I can use this. Is there a cave here? No. Okay, guys, if I tame that dog in one bone, you gotta press the like and subscribe button. Hey, I thought that was a creeper. That's gross. Bro, I should have made a path to go up this. Now it's so irritating going up from this thing. I have dirt. Let's just tower up. It's almost night time. So I think that the dog is gonna despawn, but I don't want that to happen. I gotta go quick. But I can't lose him. I wanna make him my friend. Hey bro, please please just become my friend. I am breaking this right now. And bro, please just become my friend. No. 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 He. You. Where is he? I was scared of that only thing. And that's what happens. He just despawned. This is great. Guys, so we are pretty rich. I didn't actually build my base today, guys, because I'm a lazy guy. So guys, this is great. I am pretty rich now, but now I don't have a base, and I lost my dog. I lost my dog. I lost my dog. So guys, let's end this episode with the. So guys, let's end this episode. It's good. It's just the worst ending ever. So guys, now we're pretty rich, you know. Now we're talking, but once I brought my bone and my dog's gone. It's great. That's just. So let's just go, guys. So guys, subscribe and like to see more of videos, and just please subscribe or I'll kill you. And guys, next episode we are definitely building this house, and we are definitely getting a dog. That was the dumbest mistake I ever made. So guys, let's end this video with our rich face. You know, we're pretty rich, you know, guys.